The trick to learning how to use AI effectively and build all types of apps that you want to do is not learning how to code. I'll be honest, in 2026, you don't need to learn how to code. AI can do most of the things that you thought you needed to learn. What you really need to learn is how to communicate very clearly to the AI and tell it exactly what you want. That is a skill that you need to master if you're going to be building with AI. For example, today we're going to be building a HR and payroll management system because one of you guys asked me in the comments below. And the first thing that we need to do is we need to get our design right so that we can start telling if this is exactly what we want. So we're going to first go over to Figma Make, which is our first AI, and we're going to tell it to, or prompt it to build for us or design for us all the pages of a payroll and HR management system. And once Figma is done with this, we just need to confirm that these designs are exactly what we want. If it's not, we prompt it again, edit prompt until we get what we want. But once all the designs are done, the next thing that we need to do is download all these designs and have them in a folder somewhere. And once you've downloaded all these designs, we're now going to go over to our second AI, which is Anti-Gravity. Anti-Gravity is an IDE, which is basically a development environment for building now the apps. And inside Anti-Gravity, the first thing that we need to do is select the right model. These models work differently, but for today we're going to select Cloud Opus 4.6, which is currently the most powerful AI model in the world. And we're going to put it to test by building our HR and payroll management system simply by importing all the images we had downloaded earlier and then telling Opus to use these images to now build out our entire prompt. Opus is one of the most powerful AI models in the world for one reason. Like, it can spin up multiple AI agents, and all of them can work in parallel to basically build your app all at once in a short period of time. So once we've told our Opus and prompted it to do everything, it will get to work. It will build the front end, it will do the back end, it will do the API connection, it will even open a browser and try and check if everything is okay. But once it's done, we still need to test and verify that everything is exactly what we want. And the best way to verify is by using a different model other than the one that we use. So for this, we're going to use a different AI agent. We're going to utilize Test Sprite, which is one of the most powerful AI agents in terms of finding bugs and errors in projects, and even the ones that the other AI might have missed. So we're simply going to tell Anti-Gravity, our IDE, to test our entire project with Test Sprite, and it will get to work generating a full and complete report of all the parts of our project that have bugs, errors, and everything that we need to fix. And using this report, we can go back and tell Anti-Gravity to basically fix all the errors and bugs that have been found by the other AI. And once this is done, now our project is usually quite ready for deployment at this point. So we can simply push it to GitHub and now begin the process of deployment. If you know how to deploy from GitHub, you can deploy to any server that you have. If it's just a front-end project, you can do it on Vercel or Netlify quite easily. But if it has backend and other storage issues, you probably might need to get a VPS server and now deploy your project to there. So let me know in the comment below if you guys have been able to build anything with any of these AI models, and what did you think? Do we still need to learn to code? I don't think so.